Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, today we will study about the subjects mathematics and the chapter of volume and capacity. My dear students, the chapter volume and capacity in your smart mathematics book. Before starting our topic, let's start with the definition of volume. Let's see on the screen. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a liquid at the rest or their container. In other words, the volume of a liquid depends on the shape of the container that it will fill. There is some container which have different amount of liquid. Some container that holds 10 liter amount of liquid, or some container that holds at least amount of liquid. Like in an injection, we fill just 5 ml or a 4 ml of a liquid. There are some examples. Example number 1. There is the glasses of orange juice which holds half liter of each glass. Then the total volume of orange juice is 2 liter. It's just because each glass carry half liter of juice. There is another example of cooking oil bottles. The total cooking oil bottle is 8 liter. It's just because each bottles carry 2 liter. There is another example of mineral water. The total volume of water is 10 liter. It's just because each bottle carry 5 liter of water. Then 5 liter plus 5 liter is equal to 10 liter. We measure the quality of a liquid in liters and milliliters. Liters equal to L and milliliters show with ml. Substances like water, milk, petrol, oil, etc. are called the liquid. The capacity of a container is the quantity of a liquid it can hold. Look at the screen. There is a question. Question number 1, that will these containers hold the same amount of water? No, it's not. They will hold different amount of water because each bottles are different with each other. Now look at the screen. There are two balls. We show the volume and capacity. Capacity is the amount of space of a container for holding a liquid, while the volume is the amount of space the liquid takes in a container. Now look at these cylinders. They have holding an equal amount of liquid, 4 ml, 4 ml, 4 ml or 4 ml. The following cylinders, which all have different capacities, but the amount of liquid inside all the cylinders are the same. This amount is called volume. Volume represents the amount of a liquid, how much space the liquid takes up in the container. Now look at these other bottles. They are different from each other, but each bottle holds 2 liter of a liquid. So we see that all bottles have a common properties. The properties, the amount of a space that have for holding a liquid. This space is called the capacity. So we can say that all these bottles have a same capacity. Okay, I will tell you about the story related with the volumes and capacity. There are 3 friends and their names are Ali, Ahmed and Abdullah. All of them study in the same class. Now every day before going to school, they have a habit of drinking a glass of milk. So all of them having a glass of milk before going to school. Now one day they went for a school trip. During the trip they stopped at the milk hotel, and all of them feeling hungry as it was breakfast time. They had a habit of drinking a glass of milk. So all 3 of them were served the glass of milk and they were very happy. They started drinking the milk which was served to them. They were pretty satisfied with the milk served to them, but something is very difficult happened today. Very different happened today. Well, Ali was able to finish the glass of milk pretty easily. In fact, it was not at all satisfied. He felt hungry, even having a drink a complete glass of milk. On the other hand, Ahmed was not able to finish the entire glass of milk. He was feeling too full, while on the other hand, Abdullah had no issue to drink the glass of milk. He was pretty satisfied. So why was this happen? What was this happen with the glasses? So we have to compare the glasses. So let's see. Now these are 3 glasses which was served in the milk hotel, and these blowing glasses in which they drink milk every day. So what is the difference? Well, this one is Ali's glass, and second was Ahmad, and third was Abdullah's glass. Now these glasses are different with each other, in which they serve every day at their homes. So what we find the difference in these glasses? Definitely there were a difference. Ali's glass is much bigger than this glass as compared to this glass. So Ali habituated to drink more milk as compared to this one because it carry more capacity. So that's why Ali feeling hungry. What happened with the case of Ahmad? Well, Ahmad usually drink the glass of milk, but these glass are not similar. As you can see, Ali's glass much smaller than this one. So definitely the glass hold more milk. So that's why Ali couldn't finish the glass of milk. What happens in the case of Abdullah's glass? Now look at Abdullah's usually drink milk in this glass. If you compare both glasses, they are same in the size. As a result, Abdullah got same amount of milk. He was drink every day. As a result, he had no problem to finish the milk. And after finishing the milk, he was pretty satisfied. He was not feeling hungry, neither not feeling too full. So what was the difference? All of these 3 glasses. Well, the difference was capacity. So it is the capacity which made the difference. When the glasses changes the amount of milk, as a result, the person is starting feeling difference. So different container or different glasses will have a different capacity. That's why the different glasses will hold different amount of capacity of a milk and liquid. Now let's compare these 3 bottles of cold drink. But what do you think? These hold same amount of liquid? Not really. The first one bottle is bigger and the last one is smaller. So the last bottle holds least amount of cold drink and the larger bottle holds maximum amount of cold drink among all these 3 bottles. So you can see as the size of container increase, so the capacity of a container increase. As a result, the bottle holds more liquid or more cold drink. Now you can see the screen. What do we have? We have the container of oil. Now even in this case, the size is gradually increased. With increasing size, what exactly increase? Well, it is the capacity which has increasing. So the larger bottle has a maximum capacity among these, and the last bottle has least capacity among these 3 one. So you can see it is the capacity of a container which is changed. When the capacity has more, then it will hold more liquid. So on other screen, you can tell me these 2, which one balls has a larger capacity? What do you think? Well, definitely you think that the larger ball has a larger capacity because it is the larger one than other. It holds more soup than second one. As a result, it has a larger capacity. So basically when we are talking about the capacity of a container, it is basically the volume of a container. That is how much liquid it can hold. So the volume is the capacity of a container. Different container have a different volume. So as you say that different size of container has a different volume because they can hold different amount of liquid. Container with large capacity will have more volume and the container with the lesser capacity will have less volume. Meaning of the capacity of a container is of its volume. So the larger container will have a larger volume and the smaller container will have a small volume. Thank you students, my dear students, hope you understand the topic of volume and capacity. Soon we will coming with the new topic inshallah. All the best students. Allah Hafiz.